to another video. Today we have, yes, the Milwaukee deals are here, or they're coming soon at Home Depots nearby. We got some pictures from probably a Home Depot that they test out these deals first, and so we got a sneak peek of these pictures of these new deals that coming up. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so. Yeah, big shout out to Stan the Man for pointing this out. He always does help out the channel, pointing out the better deals, the good deals, and the new tools that are coming out. Alright, let's go ahead and start. The first picture that we have is this $299 high output 6XC 6 amp hour battery, 2-pack system starter kits. So basically 6 amp hour batteries and a charger, and get one of these for free. So $299 will get you 2 6s, a charger, and a free tool. It looks like the first one is a reciprocating saw, one-handed reciprocating saw. These are all fuel, though, at least the ones on the top. One-handed reciprocating saw. Then you got the hammer drill. Then you got it looks like an impact driver, and then it looks like we got an impact wrench. And then we got an angle grinder. And I don't know about this circular saw. It might be brushed. It might be brushless. Who knows? I don't know exactly, but it's not the fuel. It's not the new one or the last one they did, the better one. And then you got this light. This is a really nice light. And also they got the new vacuum here. So this is definitely worth it to get with the vacuum here, because this vacuum by itself is like $199, like $200. We got the rocket light. This is definitely a great deal. I know we've seen some $150 prices on this rocket light. And then we got the sander, the oscillating tool. These are not new tools. I believe these are old brush tools. And I believe you do get an 8 amp hour battery. It's a choice too. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals coming up throughout the this upcoming month. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys stay subscribed, and ring that little bell icon so you guys will get all the notifications when all these deals pop up, and I'll let you guys know what's going on. You got buy this $199. You got XC 5.0 and CP 2.0 amp hour batteries. A 2-pack system starter kit. So $199 will get you a 2 and a 5 and a charger and a free tool. So $199. I think this is a much better deal. I wish they had more selection of tools, like the 100 reciprocating saw or other older tools. The circular saw. It could have been on this one too, the older ones. Anyways, so $199 will get you one of these free. You got the hammer drill, you got the impact driver there, you got a light, you got the oscillating tool, and you got the sander there. So definitely check it out. All right, the next picture that we have, it's another tool, a free tool thing that they have. I don't know if they're gonna have this. It is closer to the other one, or they're gonna have it. They're gonna have it just like the the first one, that the $299 deal. I don't know if they're gonna include that on the $299 deal or not. So yeah. And then the next picture, well, actually the next picture that we have is like an end cap. So this end cap, the top one is a $299. It looks like it's a impact driver, and you got a 100 reciprocating saw, 2 batteries, a charger, in a bag. And then the next one down is $399. You get 3 tools actually, and these are fuel. So $399, 3 tools. You got a hammer drill, you got an impact